From a distance, you'll just see these coconut palms and trees and all these beautiful things. And that's in the distance. But when you get there, you actually see people living there.
And then, of course, when you're in the river, you see a lot of garbage floating in the river.
Around the world, in our oceans, in our rivers, in any water bodies, we've got an incredible water pollution problem. In India, we don't not just have a water pollution issue, but we have an access to water issue, clean water issue.
There's no paddle club, in Kerala with 44 rivers. There was none. So we said, okay, let's introduce kayaking seriously to everyone. They will also see the garbage. No one likes to see that. And then they'll work against it and they'll all try to, protect our rivers.
ഈയിടെ മോണുമെൻറ്റ്സ് എല്ലാം തന്നെ വാട്ടർവേസിനായിട്ട് കണക്റ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഈ 44 നദികളുള്ള കേരളത്തിൽ നദികളെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളത് മുസിരിസ് പൈതൃക പദ്ധതിയുടെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ഉദ്ദേശങ്ങളിൽ ഒന്നാണ്.
Great model for how you can grow a sport through the pillar of kind of nature and environmental activism, but also culture and history.
And watching kids sailing is a skill because you've got to understand physics. This afternoon, seeing this kid come straight past me just cruising, I was like, that's it. Because that kid's then going to have a relationship with this water, with this area.
I learned how to kayak better, how to protect the waters, and there's a lot of garbage in the water which I didn't like.
People only care about what they love, so people protect what they love. Events like this are so critical to remind people what we have here and how lucky we are